Hi, this is Rory here, Open Systems Media. I'm joined by Giovanni Burresi from Udoo, who's going to talk to us about their new Ryzen board. How's the show going for you?
Hi, it's a pleasure to meet you again. And we are here because we would like to introduce you our new board that we are trying to found on Kickstarter.
Yes, I saw that. It's been going pretty well.
Yes, we are really surprised because in 4 hours we reached the goal. And in 3 days, we are close to $400,000.
Yes,
and
pretty much 4 times the goal.
Yes, we're really surprised because the makers are supporting us. So first of all, thanks to all the makers that already buy and support the Udoo, and now is still believing in our project. So I would like to introduce you the board, the Udoo board, which is one of the high-end computers and maker board for makers. So that means because it's equipped with the AMD Ryzen V1000, and our idea is to provide high computational power to introduce the users to the new frontiers of makers. And our idea is to allow the makers to, for example, to use the new artificial intelligence software frameworks like TensorFlow or OpenCV. And because we tried also with other old boards, for example now drones or rovers, it could be very useful to allow to interact with this kind of
I've heard the Ryzen's quite good for gaming as well. I mean, is that a
yeah, exactly. All our boards are under testing, and in our testing it includes a lot of the AAA games.
Okay.
Because these boards is very good for gaming, but could be also very interesting for edge computing,
okay,
for the next step of IoT. And we would like to, we are interested to see what the people could do with that.
Sure. I heard you've got a small quantity of them at the moment, and they're like gold dust to get. When can people expect to actually get their hands on these?
We in the timeline we will get the first pre-production in the end of July, and we will start shipping. If I remember. For the end of September, but I have to check.
Okay.
Sorry.
Is there a web address people can go to find out more about the board?
Yeah, sure. You can search on Kickstarter for Udoo Bolt, and you can also check the udoo.org to get all the information.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. So we're here at Computex at booth KO102. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Cheers.